This Mustang still has the original factory installed cowl panel piece. Man, it's time for a refresh. A brand new one. One piece is gonna cost you at least $150. Amazon sells a two-piece made by Cheetah for $30. So that's gonna save you a lot of cheddar. At first glance, the ABS plastic looks durable. The nozzles were easily transferable onto the piece. They just clicked right into position. Love that sound. The two-piece comes with replacement push pins and the weather stripping that comes glued to it seems to be pretty durable. I've heard a lot of complaints, or I've read a lot of complaints that it easily peels off. So maybe we might put our own kind of glue on here before putting it on the vehicle to prevent it from coming out. Cause yeah, to be honest, that glue looks kind of sketch. It looks kind of weak. So, how does it look on the vehicle? Installation wasn't that bad. The hard part was aligning everything. Before opening the hood, make sure these lines are aligned. Same with the other side. I'm happy with the way it looks, but the middle portion is still pretty loose. There's a push pin that would go in this area, and there's also a metal bracket that I'm supposed to transfer from the old piece onto here, but I didn't have it. And that metal bracket grips onto the Mustang. So that metal bracket looks kind of like this, but bigger. Overall, like I said, it looks really good for $30. The way it's loose, it doesn't mess with the way the hood opens. So that might be a problem for some of you, that it's all jingly. It's all jingly like that. There's a big old gap in the middle of the weather strip. Big old gap. That might be another deal breaker. If anything happens, I'll post an update in the comments. But for right now, $30 well spent. Big old upgrade over this piece. Now I gotta take care of these cracks. Speaking of cracks, this side mirror has a few. You can get this entire replacement piece for about $35. For the driver's side, the part number is TYC 2540-232. And for the passenger side, TYC 2540-231. Real easy to replace. And that's it, Mustang crew. See you next time.